Election Commission of India has announced launch of Special Intensive Revision SIR Phase 3 of electoral rules, which will be conducted in 16 states and 3 union territories. The exercise aims to cover 36.73 crore electors with the help of over 3.94 lakh booth-level officers, BLOs, who will undertake house-to-house verification. These BLOs will be assisted by 3.42 lakh booth-level agents, BLAs, appointed by political parties. ECI has requested all political parties to appoint BLAs for every polling booth to ensure complete transparency and maximum participation of stakeholders. This phase has been scheduled in coordination with ongoing census house listing operations. The SIR Phase 3 will cover entire country except Himachal Pradesh, Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh, for which the schedule will be announced later due to census completion and weather conditions in snow-bound areas. Different states and union territories have separate timelines with qualifying dates of either 1st July 2026 or 1st October 2026. The process includes preparation and training, house-to-house visits, rationalization of polling stations, draft rule publication, claims and objections periods, and final electoral rule publication spreading up to December 2026. In the first two phases of SIR, nearly 59 crore electors were covered involving over 6.3 lakh BLOs and 9.2 lakh BLAs.